15-year-old girl gone missing in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for a 14-year-old Amoy Crawford, otherwise called Momo, of 1 Riley Avenue, St. Andrew, who has been missing since Thursday, November 21st. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Olympic Gardens police are that at around 6:30 a.m., Amoy was last seen at home. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Amoy Crawford is being asked to contact the Olympic Gardens police at 876-923-5468, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.